Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Luna Classic update today. I was about to quit Luna Classic trading. I took an entry and it's been almost 1.5 month right now. So basically, I've been waiting for a very, very long time and my entry was still at 10,000. We're sitting at 9,322, but I still am in the trade. And just before I was about to quit the trade, I realized that, you know what? No, perhaps Luna Classic is not something that I'm going to quit. And the thing is that, you see, number one, market does work in a cycle. We all know this, right? We've seen a downtrend. This was the break of the downtrend. This is a sideways movement. And simple put, this is still okay. Even if you do something like this, that's still fine because you broke this downtrend and it means that you're interested to actually start an uptrend. I just don't know when, okay? Maybe this month, maybe next month, maybe in August, September, October. But the plan is to actually start an uptrend to go to the upside. Now, when I saw Bitcoin coming down during this time, and I talked about Wyckoff accumulation, and we talked about all that good stuff, if I take the trend line and you have the Wyckoff accumulation, that pretty much is still, this actually looks like this is the spring itself. And this was just never the spring, but you can already see that this is probably the biggest spring we've seen, taking out all the stop losses that were placed right over here. Okay, stop losses taken away, and maybe it's time to actually move to the upside. So for a moment I thought that this spring has failed, because if you look at what Luna Classic is doing, it actually went up, retested, and failed a little bit, and now it has actually passed the retest. This was the failure, this is the pass, right? And it actually shows we're going to go up, and this is also an ascending triangle. Boom, you're coming back up here again. Now, I was about to close the trade when I saw this failure. And I didn't close the trade because of the following. So if I zoom out and I show you something new today, and I take the trend line, you have this, and you also have this right over here, and I'm going to show you what this is. What I just showed you is known as descending broadening wedge. Okay, so when the prices are moving down like this and they start to broaden when they're descending, when they actually expand while going down, it actually scares a lot of people to sell. So people start to sell down here, and then all of a sudden the prices start to push back up again. Okay, so this is exactly what you have right now. Countless examples, of course. You can watch this whenever you want to watch, and this is how basically you're going to find it. Okay, so descending broadening wedge, break to the upside, and that's your basically technical target right there. So when I saw this, I realized, okay, we have a bullish pattern right over here. It's almost just like having a rising wedge. So this is a bullish pattern to come back up here, and we're going to see a technical target of 10280, break above here, and then you go back up to 11,000 back again, which actually crosses my entry point one more time and maybe starts off to even continue to climb to the upside. If you like the video, do make sure you're following me, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.